Giedrius has 1 hour and 30 minutes. During that time he has to approach group of girls and get telephone number. If he does it, mark will be 5. If not, mark will depend on how he will talk with group of girls, how far he leads this conversation towards his goal. I see every detail. What is his body language? What is his tone of voice? Is he confident? If not, where are the mistakes? I see how he reacts when one girl of the group rejects him. I see how much alpha man power he has inside. One girl feels interested. Everything is going okay and Giedrius must take her telephone number. But Giedrius is wasting his time. Time is the most valuable thing in the exam.
Okay, now Giedrius quite confident, but the girl in front of him, she looks like she loses her interest in Giedrius. I can see that in her body language. So she doesn't look that much at Giedrius, and it looks like he is not going to pass his exam.
And Giedrius didn't take any telephone number, and I said for him, Giedrius, you must always lead your conversation towards goal. Never waste your time in life. Time is the most valuable thing in your life. You was wasting your time with these girls. Instead of that, never waste your time with girls who are not interested into you. But one of them rejected Giedrius. Another approach cooled Giedrius. You at the center of attention, very good, but the girl on the right is not interested into Giedrius, and she loses her attraction for Giedrius, and Giedrius quite looks like a lost boy in the world. So hello everyone, it is the end of this exam. Giedrius, you did not accomplish my exam. Your mark is free. Why? Because in 1 hour and 30 minutes you approached just group of girls. That means you missed groups where is another alpha male of a group. That was your mistake. For that reason, I strongly recommend you to go slower where are many people. Why? Because you will see the all groups which you can talk to. You have mark 3. Because you approached, made a conversation, one girl was interested about you, but somehow you could not lead the conversation to your goal and you did not get telephone number. You were wasting your time. For this reason, I recommend you to do everything quickly. Do not waste your time for girls who do not like you. So the mark is 3 also due to your body language. You improved your body language very well, so congratulations, but it looks like you feel also anxiety for girls, and if you feel any anxiety in your life, it means you are an unsuccessful man. All successful men control their fears, control their anxiety level, so improve it in your life. Another reason why your mark is 3, because your conversation looks like very good, but you must lead it towards your goal. You missed it. Another important thing, that you kept good eye contact with women. You touched, you made a kino. You look powerful, but not enough powerful to get their telephone number. So Giedrius, tell about third alpha man stage. Hello everyone, third alpha man stage is very difficult and you must prepare for it. If you go at once to the third alpha man stage and miss first and second, you will make a mistake, because if you want to pass third alpha man stage, you must at first go at the first alpha man stage, then to the second alpha man stage, and then to the third. I made a mistake. I went at once to the third alpha man stage, and it was my mistake. Here you must have very good social skills, very good self-confidence. Yes guys, first and second alpha man stage will give you that sense of confidence which will be very important for your third alpha man training stage. Yes, Ernest, it is very important. Guys, do not make this mistake. If you are a beginner at talking with people at social situations, go to the first alpha man training stage, and then to the second alpha man training stage, and then to the third alpha man training stage.